Now see what happens in the digital energy meter. As I just told that it's an energy meter which is the electricity, the energy, right? So basically they have shown it for the different phases, one for phase, one for this. This is we are using at our home. This is we are using at the industry. The function is same, but what is the difference? In the industry side, we'll use three-phase supply: red, yellow, blue, and the new. Okay. And at the home, we are using the single phase supplies. That's why it's single phase. The one wire with the neutral. Then we'll have analog multiplier. Then we'll have ADC. ADC, analog digital convert. Okay. Analog to digital converter means it is converting the analog value to the digital value. Processor, which is like cram this diagram and write down some points.